Welcome back to Advanced CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to see simple mold design in SolidWorks. We will create core and cavity in SolidWorks. So let's see how to create in SolidWorks with the help of mold tools. I hope like you. So let's get started now. First of all, I will choose front plane sketch. Choose here circle. Draw circle. We'll first define dia 300 mm. Okay. Go to feature step, extruded boss base. Keep condition blind 30 mm. Okay. Now sketch top plane. Keep normal position. Choose here line. Draw R2 here. Select offset entity 10 mm. Okay. Draw line. Close both the end. Select. Draw one more line. Now define 95 mm. Here to here distance 3 mm. Okay. Select here center line, midpoint line. Go to mirror tab. Select mirror entities. Click mirror about. See mirror. Draw here center line. Go to picture tab. Revolve card. Select axis 360 degree. I will apply some color. Red. Okay. We will try this face. Sketch. Choose here center line. Draw center line. Convert entities. Select. This converted. Now draw line. Make sure vertical. Define 5 mm. Go to mirror tab. Select mirror entities. Mirror about. Trim. Power trim. Okay. Picture step. Extruded boss base. Reverse direction. Keep condition up to next. Okay. Go to linear pattern. Circular pattern. Direction. Select features of an extruded boss base. Number of pattern 5. Select. Reference geometry. Plane. First reference. Second reference. Okay. Create plane. Go to mirror tab. Mirror about plane. Features mirror. Circular pattern. See this mirror. Height plane. Select face. Now apply fillet. 10 mm radius. Select all face. Select face. Sketch. Keep normal position. Convert entities. It's time to convert it. Here draw center line. Point to point. Draw circle. Midpoint. Now define. Radius 35 dia. Select. Go to circular pattern. Direction. Select pattern. Number of 5. Okay. Construction geometry. Okay. Now extruded cut. Keep condition. Roll both sides. I will discuss top plane. Draw horizontal line. Define 15 mm. Okay. Exit discuss. Go to curve. Split line. Kiss. Face selected. Okay. So base model is now ready. Go to pop-up window. Right click. Tab. Mold tools. Select drop. Direction front plane. Draft angle 1 degree downward. Select draft base. This is very important because if you are going make a mold, it is important drafting. That's it. Now it's time to create fitting line. Direction front plane. Select draft analysis. See. Draft side positive on this side and negative on this other side. SolidWorks automatic used to make fitting line in this edge. but I will specify fitting line. Fitting line which going to separate core and cavity. Now the next thing, setup surfaces. See, SolidWorks automatic selected setup is select here fitting surfaces 200. That's it. Now tooling separated. Choose as center rectangle. Now define 400 mm. Same 400 mm. Okay. Exit sketch. See, core and cavity both are going to separate it. Upside 50 mm, downside 50 mm. Okay. Height fitting line. Height fitting surface. Now I have 3 body. Right click, save body. Select what assign, create assembly. Selected folder, save. 1. Click here. Yes, yes. Window. See, one part. Exploded view. Done. Done. That's it. Okay. Open part. Apply color. Open part. Some like feel yellow color. Okay, enough. Background white. Collapse. This is how we created simple core and cavity mold in SolidWorks. I hope like you. Don't forget share like our video. Please subscribe our channel for more video, more project in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.